Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This timing chain very important to mark. Look, if a gear without marking, it's very hard to put on. Okay, I'm show you. You see the crankshaft has teeth, and see the plate here. Because sometimes when I open engine, I see this gear, it's out of timing. They put it wrong, you know. I'm going to show you how I set up this gear, and I put it 100% right. Okay. So you see, if put with very like careful, it will be fit in without mark. But the best way I mark. You see, I put mark on this teeth in the middle, and I put around marks around. You see this plate here. This one to make the camshaft and the gear stuck, not turn like this and like this while putting a bolt. You see this one mark here and mark here. Now the gear has marks and the crankshaft has marks. I do for front marks too, because the Homelink balancer for the drop belt has mark too, and outside has marks. A lot of marks in this engine. Yeah, it's easy and hard. If you understand, it's very easy. Why I put this mark here, so I can make sure it's up like this, so easy to put on. See, I put on straight away, tick in the place. Now I can put the bolt on. Okay, here there's a plastic washer to protect the teeth. I put later, but just I am showing you first the marks. Okay, because if I put the plastic now, the mark will be hard to see. You see the mark here. Now if I turn, see the crankshaft turn, all good. If this one wrong, that's it, everything wrong. Water pump mark, going to the water pump. This one, the black on a gear for balancer, and the other side black on a gear for the balancer, and the gear, see the outside one, okay, for the balancer, but the inside one for the cam on the top. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel. I have big experience. I am worker, so please support me. Yeah, I am doing YouTube for living too. Yeah, thank you very much for support. You can support me with super thanks. So now you see the mark for the drive shaft, not drive shaft, I mean for the balancer. 1, 2. This one for the water pump. Just I am focused for the water pump, because when you put the water pump mark like this, you can see all the mark of the engine like this. 1, 2, 3, very easy. So 1, 2, and 3 down. See, because of the water pump mark is on a place. Now the camshaft marks. Keep watching, because there's a lot of things in this engine. For last bolt, if you do one mistake, everything wrong will be. So you see the mark, this one underneath, inside for the cam on a black plate, and going up. Now I go this way. It's alright. Yeah. So you see on a camshaft gear inlet, there's a mark for the chain, the black one, and the gear. You see the open hole and the mark. The other side mark on a chain and a gear mark for the exhaust one. There's a lot of marks too now. Not finished yet. So I am going to show you something very important. You see this blue ring? Yeah. So now I put the blue ring, everything, yeah, and I put the cover on. I can't take off the bolt. If I take off the bolt with the cover out, all the timing go out. That's it. So I put the cover on, I tie it, and then I put mark here for this one because there's 2 marks more. So look, I'm going to put mark to make it easy for me to put in a place. You see this mark I make before, and now I have to make mark because in the cover there's one plate, it's holding inside gear. Never ever take off the seal like this with a screwdriver, because when you take off the seal like this with a screwdriver, if you want to change the seal, yeah, the plate will go out and the gear will go out, and you have to take off the engine or set up the timing, even if you do just seal job. Okay, so now I'm going to put the mark on. There's 2 marks here. I put the grease here, rubber grease, because I changed the seal already, but I didn't do like this with the screwdriver. Okay, now just I'm showing you here the mark on the top stay the same. Okay, underneath there's 2 marks. This one for the crankshaft, that's mean on the top. Okay, and this one for the timing. Okay, this one for the timing, this one for the timing, for the camshaft, and for everything. Okay, so now when put the bolt on and tie it very good, that's mean the timing is locked. That's it. There's more thing, yeah, not finished yet. Like, yeah, don't forget, like. Thank you very much. I'm talking here. I'm telling you, like this one inside the camshaft. Okay, I put the cover already, but inside the camshaft, this valve here, you have to make sure it's working. If not working, that means you tight too much. You have to lose it a little bit and tight, or get a new one. You have to know the tighten torque. Okay, and that's all. If working, working. If not working, the engine will start doing like this because it's not working. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, and support me with the like. Yeah, and you can support me with super thanks. I am worker. I have experience 30 years, but I am worker. Yeah, I am doing YouTube for a living. Okay. Thank you very much. Support me, yeah, with the like or with super thanks. Thank you. Have a good day. Good night.
This valve is left threaded. Don't forget, left for tighten, right for loosen.